Hello? DistroKid have a new iPhone app. So you telling me artists can check their streaming stats from anywhere in the world? Nice. So DistroKid have officially released their new mobile app, which makes it even easier than ever to upload and manage your music to streaming services. In the past few years, we've seen recording on iPhone and iPad become a huge part of the production process, and with the DistroKid app now being available for download on the App Store, this is officially the icing on the cake. Now I'm sure you're wondering what the app has to offer, so I'll cover a few key features you can find when using the app. I'll assume quite a few of you have a laptop or desktop setup, so we'll focus on the core features that are tailored to make your life easier while out and about. Let's say while on tour, at the studio, or even in the waiting room at the dentist. Streaming stats. It's super important to be able to gauge how well a release is doing, and with the stats feature you'll be able to do just that. I find this important as it allows you to check on your latest releases from literally anywhere at any time, especially for when your songs go viral on TikTok. As you can see from the example, you'll be able to click on any existing song and get an overview of how many times your track has been streamed during a set period. That's pretty cool. The next cool feature includes editing, with the ability to edit metadata, lyrics, and song data. These features are really cool to have while on the go, especially for if you've ever forgotten to add, let's say, a producer's name to a song, a lyric, or even important metadata needed for a streaming site. I often find albums on Tidal lacking important information, no producer credits, things like that, which really bugs me. Royalty earnings, stats, and withdrawal notifications. We all love the sound of money, so why not keep up to date with the cash you've earned off streaming? I personally like these features because it allows you to follow your earnings while on the go, instead of being kept in the dark on how well your music is doing, like in the good old days of the music industry. Being able to have control over your music is truly a blessing and is something I believe every artist should have in today's world. So if you have an existing DistroKid account, you can sign into the app directly via 2FA, and if not, you can create an account and purchase a plan directly in the app within a few minutes and get going immediately. I also have an amazing discount link for you to sign up with in the description box below, which will get you 7% off your first year subscription. So definitely check it out. DistroKid is an amazing platform which many artists I know have been using for many years, helping them get paid, keeping track of their music, and helping them remain independent in this ever-changing music industry. So definitely check out that link below. If you're an existing user and you have an iPhone, definitely check the app out. The app will be developed for Android soon. But yeah, stay tuned for all the updates. Let's get it.